The 1956 Mercury XM Turnpike Cruiser stands as one of the most dramatic and forward-thinking concept cars of the jet age. Designed by John Najjar at the Lincoln Mercury Advanced Design Studio, the XM, short for Experimental Mercury, was originally named Mandalay and reflected the space race optimism of the 1950s. The prototype was built in Italy by Ghia at an estimated cost of $80,000, a massive investment for a single show car. Its purpose was clear: to showcase futuristic features and push the limits of automotive design. The car debuted on the auto show circuit in 1956, appearing in cities like Chicago, Detroit, and New York, and even served as the pace car for the 1957 Daytona Beach Grand National Race. A custom semi-truck with a see-through trailer called the Van-O-Rama was built to transport the cruiser, doubling as a mobile display platform. The design of the XM Turnpike Cruiser was radical. It featured jet pod-inspired front bumpers, hidden turn signals, massive concave tail fins, and twin butterfly roof panels that opened automatically with the doors. The vehicle's roofline appeared to float above the body thanks to expansive glass panels. The taillights were V-shaped and canted outward, a design later adopted in a toned-down form for production Mercurys. Inside, the car housed 4 individual bucket seats with center floating consoles, 2-tone leather upholstery, and 4 torpedo-style instrument nacelles. Additional features included power windows, a push-button clock, and a dashboard that curved inward in a concave layout. Mechanically, the car was built on a lengthened 1954 Mercury convertible chassis, powered by a 312 cubic inch Y-block V8 with twin 4-barrel carburetors and a Mercomatic automatic transmission. It also had power brakes and power steering. Though the XM Turnpike Cruiser was never intended for production, it heavily influenced the design of the 1957 to 1959 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. After its promotional run, the concept passed through several owners and deteriorated. A full restoration, requiring over 6,000 hours, began in 2017 and was completed in 2022 by noted restorer Tom Maruska. Today, the 1956 XM Turnpike Cruiser remains an enduring symbol of mid-century automotive ambition, an experimental laboratory on wheels that helped shape the look and spirit of Mercury's golden age.